Okay, so another quick unboxing video. This time it's for the SteelSeries Rival 500, which has just arrived. So we'll take it out of its bag. And there it is. So let's break the seals on it. Optical mouse, 15 buttons, 30 million clicks, 16,000 CPI, 300 inches per second, and RGB illumination. So we'll put the seals on the top and the bottom, and it should and does slide out. So there's the back of it. So there's all 15 buttons, and we'll see what we get. It's a slightly different box to the other ones. We've got a quick start guide. Plug it in, install the software. The mouse itself, nothing else in the box. So there's the mouse itself. It's got a rubberized cable. Download the software. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh. There's little thumb ones as well. So that's the mouse itself. It's quite a nice shape. So you don't really get very much with it, but the packaging is quite nice. And let's see what it feels like. I think that catch there, that locks that, so that forms a thumb rest. That one's a bit hard to press. That one's alright there. Yep, so that's that. So that's the Rival 500. Any questions, pop them in the comments, and thanks for watching.